Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick practical guide on turning off security alerts for WhatsApp Web on your PC after the latest update. If you've ever gotten overwhelmed by notifications and just want a cleaner experience, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you mute those alerts without compromising your security. First, open WhatsApp Web in your browser and log in as you normally would. Make sure you're connected to the right account so you don't end up changing settings for a different chat environment. Once you're in, look toward the left side of the screen. Right above your profile photo, you'll find the settings option. It's a small, unobtrusive area, but grabbing it now sets the stage for a smoother workflow. Inside settings, select account. This is where WhatsApp groups your essential privacy and security choices. You'll see a list of options that control how your information is shared and how notifications behave. The path to your goal sits right here, so keep an eye out for the security notifications option as you scroll or tap through the menu. Tap security notifications. This is where WhatsApp groups the alerts that tell you when a new security code has been generated or when there's a change on the connected device. These messages can be helpful, but they can also become noisy if you're working on a focused task or simply prefer a quieter browsing session. By entering this menu, you're granted the power to tailor your experience. Now, you'll see a straightforward switch or checkbox labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. Uncheck this option to disable those alerts specifically on your PC. This action stops the pop-ups and in-app prompts from appearing, giving you a cleaner, less interrupted WhatsApp web experience. If you ever want to re-enable them, simply revisit the same setting and recheck the box. To recap, you opened WhatsApp web, accessed settings above your profile photo, navigated to account, entered security notifications, and unchecked show security notifications on this computer. With those steps complete, you've tailored your notification experience to suit your needs while keeping your account security intact.